Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with the IRS for an IP PIN, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the IRS website. Look for the Get an IP PIN section. Click on Apply for an IP PIN. Create an account if you don't already have one. Provide your personal information as prompted. Enter your social security number. Fill in your date of birth. Supply your filing status for your latest tax return. Provide your email address for communication. Verify your identity using IRS-approved documents. Supply details from your most recent tax return if needed. Once your identity is confirmed, you will receive your IP PIN. Make sure to write down your IP PIN for future use. You will need this PIN for your next tax return. Remember, the IP PIN is valid for 1 calendar year. Renew your IP PIN every year for continued protection. This enhances your identity theft protection during tax filing. For further assistance, check the IRS support page. You are now ready to file your taxes securely with your IP PIN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.